Hi there. As the Amibroker database becomes large, it starts performing slowly in live markets. In this video, we will learn how to fix a slow-performing Amibroker. Let's get started. First, close the data feed software. And then close Amibroker. Next, open My Computer. Then open Local Disk C. Double-click on the Data Feeds folder. Then open the Amibroker folder. Right-click on the Data Database folder and rename it. Minimize the screen and go back to the desktop. Double-click on the =RT software. And wait for the 5 days auto backfill to complete. Do more backfill if needed. Now, the data will be updated faster in Amibroker. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.